Yeah, hello, this is the recap of today's Bund session from Tuesday, the 23rd of July 2019. So, my hypo today were if we can build value above this area here, above the 77, with increasing volume, I will go for the long trend continuation. Additionally, if there is no extension, I will look for the range long on the yesterday value area, low area around 54 and 56, and on the upside at the 78 with responsive selling or responsive buying around here. If we're getting no extensions of IBR, of the initial balance, and we build an intraday range, I will go for the range short within the intraday range. But also if risk reward, of course, is good. What happened then after the open, we go now to the trading screen. One could see that when we opened, we see some huge buying here and led to a move within the first minutes of the open to the initial balance high, and then we pulled back at the open phase ended when we pulled back a little. Strengths came into the delta of buying. So I said, be prepared now. If we can take out the 77 and build value with increasing volume again, then we're looking for the range long continuation. In the stream live, I said, I'm not going to take on this trade because first we only looked slight above, then we didn't build value and we had no increase of volume. But we see some rejection signs. The first here around 929, but this was already not super risk reward now for the range short for me because we was a little bit too far away from the top area. So one would have seen a pullback here, and then I would like to enter, but that didn't happen. Anyway, as this was no clear open rejection reverse, because we first didn't play the open drive, as we didn't take out the range high of yesterday, the yesterday value area high, I wasn't looking for this play. We going back and we see the first time we confirm and build a normal distribution from the 2 days value, and it didn't made it even back to the pre-market value at 60. So I was saying that I'm looking for better risk reward for the range long here. Right now still in terms looking for marks from yesterday value. And they didn't got to this level, the prices, but got already rejected at the 64. I said now we are more in the range situation right now, and we're looking now either for the range short possibility at the top area here in the value area high, or for range long here. I'm told you that I'm not, as prices then went down here, I'm not going to look here for the range long because the risk reward was just bad. Even here I told you, as the POC at this moment was still at this level, this is only, see this, a 2-3 ticks chance with which not even a 1-to-1 risk reward. And this is what the market then ended up this morning session. It was a tight range, a little bit forced to the downside then, and now it has taken place a little bit lower here, but this is no good risk reward from my place. If you have some super scalping setups, then you could have played it, but for me not. This is not what I'm looking for. So I stayed flat, I didn't lose money. I was I knew you could get bored in this to the market, but you have to be patient and wait with the right attitude. So haven't lost any money, followed my trading plan, and everything for me very good today, and I hope so for you too. So happy learning. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow more important economic numbers, so that means maybe new money coming in, a little bit more moves like yesterday, where it was a really good day to trade, but today not for me, and bad risk reward. Thank you for watching and listening. This is the recap for today's Bund session, Tuesday the 23rd of July. This is Anton Höpfel for Manapa Trading.